In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom password. Changing your password is an important step in ensuring the security of your online accounts, and today I'll guide you through this process for your Zoom account. Whether you're new to Zoom or just looking to update your credentials, these instructions will help you make the necessary changes with ease. First, you'll need to sign into your Zoom account via the web portal. This is the primary platform where all account management features are accessible. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation menu, which is typically located on the left-hand side. Select the option labeled Profile. This section houses your account information and settings. Now, within the Profile section, scroll down until you find the Sign In section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Sign In Password. Next to it, there's an Edit button. Go ahead and click that. You'll now enter a new page prompting you to enter your current password. This is to verify that you are indeed the account holder making these changes. After you've entered your current password, you'll be asked to enter your new password. For security reasons, you'll need to enter your new password twice. This is to ensure there are no typos and that the password stored is exactly as you intended. Once you have confirmed your new password, simply click Save Changes. A brief confirmation message will notify you that your password has been successfully updated. Now, when selecting a new password for Zoom, it's crucial to adhere to their specific requirements for security purposes. Your new password needs to be at least 8 characters long, but keep in mind that Zoom allows a maximum of up to 99 characters if you want that extra layer of security. Additionally, your password should include at least 1 letter and 1 number. This combination significantly strengthens your password against unauthorized access. To add to its complexity, make sure your password contains both uppercase and lowercase letters. It's important to note that spaces are not allowed in your password, so make sure to avoid including them. Lastly, try to avoid simple sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or repeated characters such as "ah," as these can be easily guessed. Following these guidelines will help secure your account against various common threats and unauthorized access. By taking a moment to update your password, you're taking a crucial step towards safeguarding your personal information on Zoom. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow these steps to maintain the security of your account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, and stay safe online.